What's going on, mother truckers? We got a special treat. We had one of our truck drivers having problems. He brought in his magician mechanic. Introduce yourself, sir.
Yeah, I'm Lamar. I specialize in pretty much everything. I covered, all grounds, from growing up. Uh, Basically, it doesn't matter what route to the door, I does it all.
You do it all.
I do it on our platform, it don't matter what it is, engine, trans, I does it all, programming, everything.
So in the Florida area, the South Florida area, are you pretty much people's genius?
Yeah, you could call it that. They got a problem, I just, go out there and solve whatever, whatever I could help, I go and help.
No, I appreciate that. So if people
Yeah.
want to reach out to you, I want to help you out too.
Yeah.
Not that you're not getting enough business, so
Yeah.
I'm sorry for this. But what is your information so that they can call you if they have any problem with any truck, right?
Yeah, well, as you know, my name Lamar. Intense Stroke Repair. That's my shop name. Phone 754-422-5106. Yeah, I pretty much do mobile. Whatever it is.
Man, and our client over here, Raul, he says you're the man, and I talked to other subscribers, and they say, no, you got to get my guy Lamar on. He know what he's talking about. So there's a lot of bad mechanics that just want to take truck drivers' money.
They just about taking your money, and you gotta think about the long term. Not just take your money and just take off. You gotta think about the long term, and come in this for a long time, and a lot of guys getting screwed over.
I heard that, man. So I appreciate you coming on, giving some free advice. So for a lot of truck drivers, where does the pain start, and what advice that you can give them that's going to help them so that they don't have to see you as much?
I mean, a lot of these comes from the maintenance, pretty much. You gotta keep up on the maintenance, just like anything else. I mean, if you don't maintain it, it don't matter what it is going to break. So, on some of these newer trucks, I've been seeing a lot of problems with after treatment issues, but some of it is just maybe your just need update module, like a special automatic transmission. These got periodically update the modules. Sometimes a short circuit in your battery cell causes a lot of these problems.
Really?
Yes.
So
keep
your
up that
battery.
dead battery. Yeah.
I'm gonna be honest with you, Lamar.
Yeah.
I was that guy.
Oh yeah.
I was that guy that if my battery's still working 3, 4, or 5 years.
Yeah.
Are you telling me that there's a good chance I had a battery that was working half power, that was short circuiting everything?
Short circuit everything. Yeah. Especially on these newer trucks.
Really?
There's so much computers and modules. Some of these, a bad circuit, like, see, the battery keep going there, they keep jumping it, it's sign, it's time to replace a battery.
Okay.
And each time you jump it, it's causing a lot of problem. Shock wave throughout the electrical system and,
Yeah.
and the ECUs and stuff like that.
So, mother truckers, I mean, this is counterintuitive to Lamar's business, but if you have signs of a dead battery, change it, because if not, then it's probably the root of the evil of a lot of your electrical
problems. It cause you a lot of headaches. Yep. And not only that, a bad battery could also cause the alternator to go out as well. Yes, because the alternator trying to charge and it's putting too much load on the alternator, cause the alternator to go out.
Wow.
Yep.
What's the most expensive thing that someone came in and said the dealership said it was like some crazy problem that was going to cost thousands of dollars, but when you looked at it, you're like, it's just a battery problem or something?
I mean, I've seen, customers have a problem with the transmission won't go in gear. They tell me you got to replace the ECU, the EC and stuff like that. And all of this is just, something simple. Sometimes, it's just the battery or electrical connection, corrosion and stuff like that.
And how much are ECUs?
They could cost, they're very expensive. Anywhere from 2,800, and all depends on what make and model you're running.
I can't tell you how many times I've had a problem, and then they just throw on parts.
Yep.
And then
I've
the
seen
end,
a lot. At the dealer, not to throw no rocks or anything like that, but they're all about replacing everything rather than go through the proper troubleshooting procedure. Because sometimes you go to the dealer, get it replaced, the part replaced, and you got the same problem because it's all start from the power source. So a lot of that is coming from the power source, where the ground connection, loose connection, corrosion, You know, so
Man, just go back to the source.
go back
And
to
the
the
source
basics.
is always
That's
the
to
batteries.
Source. Go back to the source.
Man, no, I appreciate you, Lamar.
Yeah.
Man, thank you so much, brother.
Alrighty.
You know what I mean? You're gonna save a lot of people, but
Yeah.
I think when people have a real problem,
Yeah.
they're gonna call you now.
All right.
Yeah, I appreciate
All right,
that.
no problem.
And the fact that we love Raul in here, he says, Raul, is this guy as good as everyone says he is? He is? So.
And let me tell you, he's my adopted son.
Oh yeah, I see the resemblance.
I'm sorry. You messed up.
Thank you for helping out others.
No problem. Thank you.
I appreciate
I'll be
it.
here all the time. I'll see you, man. But
Yeah.
I got some video on my phone right now that Steve y'all.
I put my head for him.
You know, I tell you this though, when you're
I
fixing
got
a
this
problem,
one customer. I just dropped his truck off from right up there, the truck yard.
yeah.
You have a problem? He said, man, I've been going from shop to shop. They can't find the problem.
So they can't find the problem, and you find
When
it.
I went there, I didn't want him to fix this problem.
Yeah.
Another issue and hold up. Don't go and take a look. You know, went right here. Guys all up here right now. He's killed the truck, showed his truck off, and now, when he showed it off, something won't start.
Yeah.
You know, so I go change the starter.
Then you're good.
Yep.
So I'll tell you this, days where you have like a project that was an easy fix,
Yeah.
you know, we'll go. I'll show you some love, free
All right,
marketing,
no problem,
and
yeah.
help out truckers.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool, man.
Hey.
That sounds good.
Yeah, yeah. I want to
All right.
help you build, man, because
All right.
anyone that helps truckers
Yeah.
and doesn't like, you know, do what all these other damn
You
mechanics try to
know,
do.
I got 2 trucks of my own, man, and
Oh, so you know?
so I know.
I get it.
Yeah.
I get it, man. That's good stuff. Hell yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was easy. You're meant to be on camera.
All right, man.